we want sometime users to enter value when they execute the script. Like for example, if you're installing a package in a Linux system, it will ask you questions like, are you good with this package? Say yes, type yes to continue, type no to cancel, or enter the username. When you do sudo -i, enter the password. So it's taking input from the user. In the same way, if you want some input to be entered by the user, when you execute your script, then you need to use a keyword called as read. Read will read the value from the user and store it into a variable that can be used later in the script. Let's write a script. read1.sh. Let's print a message for the user to enter some value. Enter your skills. And we'll use the keyword read, and we give the variable name. So that skills is capital. So whatever the user enters, it will get stored into this variable. When I execute the script will halt the execution, wait for the user input. Once the user inputs the value, then it will continue. That's a better sentence. Your skills are very popular in IT industry. And you see that script is waiting for our input. Let's enter. So whatever value we enter, that gets stored into the variable. So here we have the variable skills, all in caps. So whatever value I entered gets stored into that variable, and then we can use that variable in our script. Here we are just printing it. Read also comes up with some fancy option. Here we're giving a print message, and then it comes to another line. Our script goes to another line. Instead of that, we can use read-p, which will print a prompt. So you can put a prompt message like, for example, username, and then you can put the variable. You can also suppress the input, whatever input the user is entering, if you don't want it to print. Like for example, when we are entering a password, we don't want the password to be printed when the user is typing. So we can use -s option, which is going to suppress the input. So we take the input from the user, username, that gets stored into that variable, password will get stored into that variable, and password will not be printed because it's suppressed. Then we're printing a blank line, and we're saying login successful, welcome user $username. Let's execute the script. So enter your skills, DevOps. Your skills are very popular in IT industry. Now it's, you see, there's the prompt. That looks better. And I'm going to enter some value here. I'm typing on my keyboard, but as you see, it is not printing it. Okay, we have some problem. It's not printing the value of this variable. Let's open our script. And there you see the mistake. The variable is actually USR, not that. That's a prompt. So such kind of typographical errors are very common. So always look for the value of the variable and the variable name to resolve such issues. Let's execute once again. That's much better.